So today I'm going to review the Avatar Builder product that is getting released on JVZoo. This is basically a cutting-edge 3D animation and artificial intelligence and award-winning multilingual technologies to create spectacular videos in any language in minutes. Right? This being released from a reputed vendor who released Doodle Maker, and they have a reputation of releasing quality products. So if you are into video marketing or you're creating video sales letters, so this will be very highly useful software, right? So we'll take a look at the product features and what is there in the sales page, and what are the features available for video marketers, right? So this product is getting launched on JVZoo. The vendor is Paul Ponna and Sid Diwar, and is already launched on January 6, 2 p.m. EST. So we'll go through like product overview, sales pages, upgrades, what is good, what is not good, and a quick summary of this product, right? So please subscribe to my channel Ravi Bandaru to view the latest videos I post, and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. So let's get started with Avatar Builder. So this is a 3D animation and artificial intelligence software, so you can create easily video sales letters or video marketing through this. So you can view the demo of this software on the sales page. So I'll just go through what are the features available, right? So it's an artificial intelligence smart screen builder to turn any text into stunning videos. So world first visual custom 3D avatar builder for effortless video creation. So you can create your own avatars by changing colors, backgrounds, tone, shirt colors, and styles and things like that, right? So there is thousands of done for you video templates, open canvas video builder, so award-winning text to speech, right? Accurate speech to text transcription, right? You can create logos, so it's all coming with copyright free, and it's coming with the one-time fee at this time, unlimited video rendering, and 720p videos to owe your audience, right? So you can get instant access to Avatar Builder for one-time payment for now. So I included a complete review of this product in the description section of this video. So you can go to the description section, click on the link to get full details of this Avatar Builder, right? So this is some of the customer testimonials. So this is what you can do with your 3D avatars. So these 3D avatars are simple, elegant, and astonishingly captivating. So you can easily create simple 3D avatars. So you can evoke emotions, you can boost authority, you can save money, right? Attract more customers, captures, keep attention, create videos in any language. So that is one of the best thing. So you can build your own custom avatars using this software. So if you already have some experience in video marketing and how you are creating your sales videos, this software is highly useful. But if you are getting started on video marketing, maybe you need to master video marketing first before start using this software, so you can get ahead of your competition using this stunning looking avatars. Video is like getting more popular nowadays, so this will be highly useful. So you don't need to create, you don't need expensive spokespersons, multiple video apps, right? So you don't need to hire freelancers to create videos. You can do it yourselves, right? There's no monthly fees and all that. So what are you getting in this? So you can get first world first visual 3D avatar builder, Pixar and Disney style 3D avatars, thousands of video templates done for you, and revolutionary smart screen creator powered by artificial intelligence. So all the demo features are available on the sales page. Click on the link below in the description to go to the product details, and you can watch the videos available on the sales page. Logo mapping technology, drag and drop a video mockup and product promo builder. So all this coming at one price, right? So it's basically award-winning text-to-speech. There is a text-to-speech available. It will also translate text into any language. It's single-click speech-to-text transition, in-app voice recording. You can also record your voice if you don't like text-to-speech. So how do you create, use this avatar builder? So you can select a 3D avatar that is already available in the video templates, customize, right? Change colors, style, backgrounds, fonts, animations, music, voiceovers, and more with ease, and then start profiting from it. Alright, so these are like different things you can do. 3D explainer videos, you can do animated videos, educational videos, you can do e-commerce, right? Social media ads, YouTube videos, presentations and sales videos. So all these things you can do with this software. So it's a perfect choice for content creators, authors, teachers, business owners, digital marketers, freelancers, social media managers and bloggers. Right, all these people can use this software to build your stunning videos, right? So there's some solutions that vendor gave. So this is a full demo of this avatar builder that's available on the sales page. Click on the sales page and review the full demo of this software. So I went through this demo, and it's good for creating attention grabbing videos using this software. So it's, we can just create any videos with it, watermark your videos, royalty-free music library is available, right? Commercial license, full HD videos, and these are some of the videos that are created from this software, right? So along with this, there is different bonuses available. I will show you what are the bonuses available. Right, so these are the features from Avatar Builder point of view. So you can watch all this. So let me show you what are the upgrades available, and what are the various pricing options. So these are the upgrades available. So Avatar Builder is coming at $47 to $67, right? Avatar Builder Elite upgrade is coming at $49 one time. So Avatar Builder Agency upgrade coming at $67 one time. Avatar Builder Template Hub upgrade coming at $39 one time, and Avatar Builder Voice Pro upgrade coming at $29 one time. So we can watch the full details, full features of these upgrades in the description section of this video. So what is good? So the software works, stunning 3D avatars, video templates, create videos in any language, 350 plus text-to-speech voices, low one-time fee. And cons, not many cons, but I think only the video rendering is slow right now because this product is just getting launched. The video rendering times may improve later on, right? So what is the summary? This software works. If you want to create 3D videos using this software, it's easy. Stunning 3D avatars, video templates available. You can create multiple lingual videos. There is copyright-free music is available, and also you can do like text-to-speech using this software. So this is Avatar Builder, and let me show you the various bonuses available. So these are the upgrades. So here are the upgrades, like upgrade features. And so I added some exclusive bonuses along with this product. So you can get like authority marketing strategies, like you can discover the insider strategies for becoming an authority in your market. Then ultimate ESP, discover the top branding strategies of the pros, right? If you are building a product, how to brand your product, right? These strategies are discussed in this ultimate USP and storytelling marketing, right? How to maximize sales and gain instant authority with powerful storytelling campaigns. So these are some of the exclusive bonuses, right? These bonuses are available immediately when you purchase the product on JVZoo, right? To only make sure you see my name when you go to the checkout page as listed here. So you can view all the details from the link in the description below, right? So this is the summary. So if you want to get started with this 3D building software, you can click on the link in the description and get more details and get started on it. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, Ravi Bandaru, to view the latest videos I post in this channel. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible.